Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 18 of the Cougar Connection. We hope that everyone had a great holiday break. I know that there have been several teachers and students I've seen or talked to over the break, and they have certainly enjoyed their time away. And I would just like to say that we are ready to hit the ground running as we approach the next 9 weeks. And just a reminder to parents, the third 9 weeks actually begins on January the 9th, and we will have several schedule changes, not only to elective courses, but also to core content classes that will be taking place on the 9th. Teachers, just a reminder, your grades are due on January the 9th by 3 o'clock, and parents, grades will go home not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. We do want to congratulate our student spotlight for this week, and it is those students who were chosen as the top 12 Amazing Shake winners. These students will be going on to compete in the third round, which is going to take place next week. So congratulations in no particular order to Zoe Cropper, Brooklyn Beckett, Chloe Wright, Hanley High, Hadley Singer, Bobby Applegate, Maddie Stacy, Evan Conley, Hunter Ham, Presley Dowdy, Bailey Hunt, and Lane Moran. So congratulations, students. There isn't a lot ongoing this week or on the calendar this week at SMS, but we do want to offer, there is going to be some BPI check-in tutoring this week offered by Mrs. Thayer. Students, if you would like to take advantage of that, it is going to be offered on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday right after school until 4:15. So if you're interested in participating, you can see Mrs. Wilson or Mrs. Thayer to get signed up. And then on Friday of this week, we will have Bring It Friday, as always. We do want to shout out to our T3000 Leaderboard. These are the students who were on the leaderboard the last week before we went to Christmas break. So congratulations on Monday to Brianna Cooley, Tuesday Sierra Johnston, Wednesday Keegan McDaniel, Thursday Cameron Carpenter, Friday Wyatt Emmons. Our weekly top scorer was Cameron Carpenter, and our two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Addie Earlywine and Brianna Cooley. Our Alex leaderboard, we have had a little bit of movement. There have been several students who have accomplished their current grade level and they've moved on to the next grade. So right now on our Alex leaderboard for the Red Jaguars is Elena Hunt, Brady Kramer, and Nick Lane. On our Green Monkey leaderboard is Riker Russell, Paxton Jones, Blake Bradley, Silver Snakes, Tyson Wills, Hunter Ham, Zippy Pilot, and our Blue Barracuda leaderboard, Kaylee Rogers, Bobby Applegate, and Carson Parker. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. We will see everyone back here tomorrow. Enjoy the last day of your guys' break.